Join the world of precision welding with power and reliability. Spot welding machines are essential tools for metalwork, automotive repairs, battery pack builds, and DIY projects, offering strong, clean welds where you need them most. Whether you're a hobbyist or a pro, the right machine makes all the difference in strength and performance. In this video, we've handpicked the best 5 spot welding machines that stand out for build quality, power, and overall value. Links to all products are mentioned in the description below. Let's get started at number 5. Awithz U3 Pro Spot Welding Machine. This portable spot welding solution stands out as a practical tool for DIY battery pack builders and repair enthusiasts. Designed to handle 18650 lithium battery welding with confidence, it combines mobility with serious output capability, delivering up to 880 A maximum current and supporting welding thickness up to 0.3 millimeters. Despite its small footprint, it offers impressive strength that makes it suitable for detailed and repetitive battery assembly tasks. The built-in 5,000 mAh capacity not only powers welding operations, but also doubles as a convenient power bank. With USB output support up to 5 volts, 2.4 amps, it can charge mobile phones and other USB devices when needed, adding an extra layer of functionality beyond workshop use. Charging is handled through a modern Type-C interface, ensuring stable input up to 5 volts, 2.1 amp, and making recharging simple and efficient. A key highlight is the removable alumina copper brazing needle. Instead of relying on low-quality brass or imitation copper tips, it uses a durable and high-grade alumina copper welding needle designed for safety and long-term performance. The thick copper welding pen line minimizes resistance and reduces energy loss, while also preventing overheating during operation. With a 40-centimeter pen wire length, it provides comfortable reach and flexible positioning for precise weld placement. The manual spot welding button allows accurate trigger control at any time, giving users direct command over welding timing and intensity. With 80 adjustable gears, it offers fine-tuning for different battery thicknesses and material demands, making it adaptable for various DIY applications. Safety is reinforced through multiple protection features, including impact resistance, voltage regulation, short-circuit protection, overcharge protection, over-discharge protection, and high and low temperature resistance. A built-in safety chip, combined with a temperature control sensor and security algorithm, provides dual hardware and software protection. The internal structure is thoughtfully designed so that the circuit board and battery are not stacked together, reducing heat transfer and significantly extending service life. Compact in size, yet powerful in output, it balances performance, portability, and user protection in one efficient device. Pros: strong output, portable design, dual function, safety protection. Cons: learning curve, limited thickness. Number 4. Qianli Max Spot Welding Machine. This portable spot welding machine delivers a refined balance between precision control and compact convenience. Built for battery repair technicians and DIY enthusiasts alike, it brings double-pulse welding technology into a handheld format that feels both modern and highly practical. The overall design reflects a focus on portability without compromising functional strength, making it suitable for detailed battery pack work and flexible soldering repairs. The double pulse adjustment system enhances welding stability by offering more controlled energy release during each operation. This approach helps reduce the risk of weak joints or surface damage, especially when working on delicate battery tabs. Users can fine-tune the pulse settings to match different materials and thicknesses, creating cleaner weld points and more consistent bonding. Such adaptability makes it especially useful in precision repair scenarios where accuracy matters more than brute force. Its compact structure supports easy handling during extended use. The portable format allows it to be carried between workstations or job sites without hassle, while still maintaining reliable output for everyday repair tasks. The machine is clearly engineered for technicians who require steady performance in a streamlined body, ensuring that mobility does not come at the cost of welding effectiveness. Designed primarily for battery flex soldering and spot welding repair applications, it integrates well into electronics maintenance environments. The intuitive layout keeps operations straightforward, allowing users to focus on positioning and weld quality rather than complicated setup procedures. The smooth exterior design also reflects durability, supporting long-term use in workshop settings. Although it does not emphasize advanced certification features, its functional build and practical adjustment capabilities make it a dependable tool for controlled battery welding. The emphasis on adjustable double-pulse output distinguishes it from simpler single-pulse units, giving users better control over heat distribution and weld consistency. For those engaged in lithium battery repairs, small electronics maintenance, or customized pack assembly, it provides a reliable combination of portability, adjustable precision, and efficient welding performance. Pros: double pulse, portable build, precise control, repair-friendly. Cons: no certification, basic display. Number 3. Fnirsi SWM-10 Spot Welding Machine. Engineered for users who demand both precision and power in a compact format. This adjustable battery spot welding machine brings together intelligent control and high-output performance in one streamlined device. Built around a 5,000 mAh high-rate polymer lithium battery, it delivers a maximum welding current of up to 1,200 A, providing the strength required for secure and consistent welds on cylindrical battery packs, such as 18650 and 21650 cells. Its adjustable combination gear system allows fine-tuning according to different welding requirements. This flexible adjustment makes it easier to match output intensity with material thickness, resulting in cleaner welding points and improved bonding strength. Whether working with nickel, iron, or stainless steel sheets within the 0.1 to 0.25 millimeter thickness range, the machine maintains firm weld quality and stable energy release. The ability to refine settings enhances precision and reduces the risk of overwelding or weak connections. A standout feature is the integrated 1.8-inch TFT LCD color screen. The display provides clear visibility of working modes, low battery warnings, and real-time circuit board temperature monitoring. This visual feedback supports better operational awareness and helps users maintain optimal working conditions. Monitoring internal temperature in real time not only improves efficiency, but also reinforces safety during extended welding sessions. Designed as a portable energy storage spot welder, it supports continuous multi-point welding after a full charge, theoretically allowing thousands of welds. The Type-C charging interface with 5 volts 2.1 amp input ensures convenient and stable recharging. Its compact dimensions make it easy to carry, store, and operate within limited workspace environments. Intelligent safety measures are integrated through an upgraded control chip. When excessive temperature is detected, the system automatically stops operation to prevent potential damage or injury. This automatic protection mechanism enhances reliability and supports long-term durability. Suitable for lithium batteries, nickel-hydrogen batteries, and cadmium-nickel batteries, it serves as a versatile solution for battery pack assembly and repair professionals seeking consistent results in a portable format. Pros: high output, color display, adjustable gear, smart protection. Cons: limited thickness, charging time. Number 2. Awithz UK1 Spot Welding Machine. Built for users who require stronger output and more hands-free control, this high-power portable spot welder delivers an impressive combination of force, flexibility, and reliability. Designed with DIY 18650 battery builders in mind, it offers a powerful 9,000-watt performance level and a maximum welding current of 1,330 amps, ensuring solid and consistent weld points, even under demanding conditions. Its enhanced output capacity makes it suitable for thicker nickel strips up to 0.3 millimeters, providing dependable bonding strength for battery pack assembly. The adjustable welding settings allow users to fine-tune performance based on material thickness and specific project requirements. This level of control helps improve welding precision while minimizing material damage or weak joints. Whether handling small repair tasks or repeated production-style work, the machine maintains stable energy delivery and responsive operation. A key advantage is the integrated pedal control system. The foot pedal enables hands-free triggering, improving workflow efficiency and allowing better positioning of battery cells and nickel strips during welding. This design is especially beneficial for users who prioritize accuracy and speed, as it reduces hand fatigue and enhances operational coordination. The pedal-based activation also contributes to a smoother and more professional welding experience compared to fully manual trigger systems. Portability remains a strong point despite its high power rating. The compact structure makes it practical for workshop use without occupying excessive space. It balances industrial-level output with manageable size, making it accessible for both advanced hobbyists and small-scale technicians. The solid construction reflects durability, while CE certification reinforces its compliance with recognized safety standards. Capable of handling up to 0.3 mm welding thickness, it supports a wide range of 18650 battery pack applications. The stable power output, adjustable settings, and pedal-assisted control together create a welding solution that focuses on performance and user convenience. For those seeking a more powerful, portable option that still maintains precision and control, this model delivers a dependable and efficient welding experience. Pros: high power, pedal control, adjustable output, CE certified. Cons: larger size. Number 1, and the winner is Awithz P120D spot welding machine. Designed for serious battery builders who require extreme current output and uncompromising stability, this superfarad capacitor spot welding machine delivers industrial-level performance in a surprisingly compact structure. With a remarkable 69200W power rating and peak current reaching up to 6590 A, it is built to handle demanding welding applications that go far beyond standard portable units. The integration of high-performance superfarad capacitor technology ensures rapid energy discharge with consistent control, resulting in powerful and precise weld points. Unlike conventional battery-powered welders, the capacitor-based system provides highly stable current release and minimizes voltage drop during operation. This allows for cleaner fusion and stronger bonding, particularly when working with thicker nickel sheets. Supporting welding thickness up to 2 mm, it opens possibilities for a broader range of lithium battery pack configurations and heavy-duty assembly projects. From 18650 battery customization to larger format pack construction, the machine demonstrates both flexibility and strength. Resistance AC welding technology enhances efficiency by delivering controlled energy directly to the weld point. This approach improves penetration while reducing unnecessary heat spread to surrounding materials. The result is accurate welding with reduced risk of damaging battery cells. Such precision is especially important in high-current environments where consistency and safety are critical. Despite its powerful internal system, the overall body remains portable and compact. Measuring approximately 13.3 by 22.4 by 17.3 centimeters, it is manageable for workshop placement and convenient storage. The balanced design allows users to benefit from industrial-grade output without sacrificing workspace practicality. Its solid construction further reinforces durability for long-term use. Confidence in performance is supported by a 2-year warranty on core components, providing reassurance for professionals and advanced DIY users alike. The combination of supercapacitor technology, extreme current capacity, and advanced welding technique makes it a robust solution for those who demand reliability and high output capability in battery pack production. Pros: extreme current, capacitor power, thick welding, compact build. Cons: high energy use. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tech reviews and updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.